Hey everyone! Have you ever wondered why confident men drive older women completely crazy? Today, I'm going to reveal the secrets behind this dynamic and, best of all, how you can make it work for you. So, if you're ready to learn something new and improve your relationship skills, stay with me until the end. And of course, if you enjoy this type of content, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any valuable tips. Let's get started. Self-confidence is one of the most attractive qualities a man can have. Older women especially value this trait because it conveys security and maturity. When you're confident, you appear comfortable in your own skin, which is irresistible. Older women generally have more life experience and know exactly what they want. They look for partners who are on the same level of emotional maturity. A confident man shows that he is capable of handling life's complexities in a balanced way. Confidence reflects in the way you communicate. Confident men are clear and direct in their intentions, which is extremely attractive. There are no games or misunderstandings, just honest and open communication. Independence is another quality that confident men possess. They have their own lives, interests, and passions. Older women appreciate this because they are also independent and seek someone who can complement, not complete, their lives. Respect and admiration are fundamental in any relationship. Confident men are not afraid to show respect and admiration for their partners. This creates a solid foundation of trust and mutual respect. Body language says a lot about you. Confident men maintain an upright posture, make eye contact, and have open body language. This not only makes them more attractive, but also shows security and genuine interest. Now, let's talk about how you can develop this self-confidence. Start by taking care of yourself, both physically and mentally. Engage in activities you love and that challenge you. And of course, practice open and honest communication in all your interactions. Finally, remember that confidence is a journey, not a destination. Keep working on yourself and applying these tips in your daily life. Over time, you'll see a significant difference in how you relate to older women and everyone around you. So, did you like these tips? I hope so. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell to get all our updates. Share this video with your friends and leave a comment letting me know what you think. See you next time.